So much, Chris. You know, you can quickly get sick in this kind of oppressive heat if you're not careful.
Yeah, and joining us right now from Birmingham Medical is Dr. Scott Grant. Dr. Grant, we appreciate you taking time to join us. This is a serious issue. I know a lot of times we can probably take it for granted. We don't have 100-degree days every day, but what's the most important thing that we need to be focused on?
The most important thing to be focused on is just getting your body cooled down. On days like today, when it's really humid, the body loses its natural ability to act as an air conditioner and get the heat off the body. When it was very hot a few weeks ago, almost the same 100-degree temperature, if you remember, we weren't having the same issues because it was so dry. The body can evaporate the moisture and take the heat with it. When it's this humid out, you can't lose the heat from your body. So the whole point is to try to get somewhere cool in the shade, to drink as much water as you can, or at least like a water that has some sort of electrolyte in it, because you're going to lose a lot of that with the sweat and when you go to the bathroom.
Give us an idea of warning signs for we've had too much and we've got to get out of it.
Well, there's several signs with heat-related illness. The first one is going to be you're going to notice an excessive amount of sweating, almost like your clothes are just completely sopped. It shouldn't be that, because remember, we want to evaporate that. It'll be fast, shallow breathing. You might feel dizzy or lightheadedness. You may have a momentary feeling like you're faint.
Can you get sick to your stomach? Feel
you
nauseous?
You can absolutely feel nauseous.
Yeah. So all those things, if that happens, I mean, you know, common sense. If you can get out of it, the hard part for some people is they've got no power right now. So they may not have the great opportunity to get cool fast.
If you're in an apartment building, you want to get to the lowest floor of the apartment building. If you're in your home, if you have a basement, the basement usually will stay cool. You just want to get out of the sun. You don't want the sun radiating on you, and you want to get somewhere where at least you can get a breeze. If you have a fan, I even thought this morning when I was getting ready for work, if you have a hand blow dryer, turn the heat off on it. Just put it on the cool setting. Even that will help evaporate.
And even if you hydrate yourself, you can still go outside and get dehydrated, or at least come up with some of those factors.
Absolutely. If you go outside, you want to, this is called life water. You want to have, this is going to be your lifeline today. But ideally, water's good, but something with electrolytes like a sport drink is going to be best.
One more question for you. I saw someone running yesterday, and I thought, oh, I mean, I looked at the woman. It was probably close to 100 degrees. Just not smart to exercise outside right now if you do not have to.
There's a lot of people running outside right now as we speak.
Yeah.
If you don't have to be doing your gardening right now in the sun, if you don't have to be out exercising, let it wait till the evening. There's absolutely no reason to do it. If you work for a living, you've got to be out putting hot asphalt down or doing roofing work. You should just have loose-fitting, light clothing, anything that reflects sun, not dark clothing. Have a hat on your head. You want to
drink water nonstop.
Exactly.
All right, doctor, thank you very much for taking the time to talk to us today.
My pleasure.
Appreciate it. Learn a lot there.